name is Ganesh KK. I've been staying in this house in KK Nagar for the last 11 years. So originally I had done interiors with the help of my own carpenter, and for a long time I've been wanting to renovate the place. So now we decided to renovate the place. So we have changed all the existing interior and made new interiors. With that, we have changed the kitchen also. The kitchen, we've given a basic requirement to Cookscape, and they came out with a design. So I came across Cookscape through Facebook advertisement, and then I visited their office, one of their offices in Punamalli. And then from there we went to their Senate of Road office and we did all the 3D presentation of the design. And after about 3 or 4 sittings, we finally agreed upon the final output. And the order was placed with them. The quality of the work is very good. The material they have used is excellent, and the finish is also very good. I am very happy with the finish. And there's a particular carpenter attached to Cookscape by name Mr. Vulaganathan, who did all the assembling. Very knowledgeable person. He was able to understand my ideas, and he executed the work to perfection. And though it took a little more than what we originally planned for, the final output is very nice. I am very happy with the work. And in the design section, I was coordinating with Miss Shenba, and she was also very cooperative, and she understood my needs and came out with a design which was very satisfying to me. I am very happy with the work executed by Cookscape. Thank you.